This is a brief video on how to change the batteries out of a Velux solar powered skylight. So this is not mounted on the wall, so I have to take off the back cover, which you just do by putting a flat head screwdriver into these little area here and turning, and going on this side. You can see the little arrows. You just wedge it in there and give it a little turn, and then it should just pop off. You could go on the side here if you need a little bit more coverage, and on this side. Be gentle not to jam your screwdriver all the way in, because you don't want to mess up what's inside. So this is another protective cover, and there's 4 tabs on each side, or 2 tabs on each side, 4 altogether. And you just get your screwdriver in there, just a little push back, and you're just releasing this tab, and you do that all the way around. See, the 2 sides are up. Don't yank it off, do all 4. There we go, and now it's off. So this is circuit board, don't touch that. Now you'll know which direction the batteries are when you take it off. And what I like to do is just line up my battery that I'm putting in the same direction that it's going to go in. Then I don't forget. So then you just take it out. And what I like to do is use just a regular old pencil eraser and just do a little swipe to the contacts to make sure there's no dust or residual battery leakage, and if there is, you just want to make sure you clean that out. And you just snap in. This is a AAA. Same with this side. Take it out. Same direction. Use my eraser. Put my battery in. And that you're in, you got to do the whole thing in reverse. Snap this on. And put your cover on. It even has the word up, so you can figure out which way is up. Snap that on, and you're done.